All right, you guys, how is everyone doing today? Today, I'm gonna make a big old meatloaf. Only my second time doing this, so let's see how it turns out. So I picked up some ground beef at my local supermarket. It was on sale for 99 cents a pound. I bought a big old hunk of this stuff. This must be a couple of pounds worth of stuff. I don't even know. Anyway, so first up, wash your hands, did that already. And you're gonna break up this meatloaf and break it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. As far as seasoning goes, you know, you add enough to your taste, right? So some folks like things salty, some don't. I'm just so-so with that. Get the good old, that's probably too much. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Crap, hang on a second. Okay, I dumped some of it out, maybe. All right. And then we get some pepper. Okay. And I'm gonna put some, what do you call this stuff? Garlic powder. I know someone's saying, no garlic powder. That's all right. Panko plain, some panko bread stuff, you know, breadcrumbs, like breadcrumbs, but not exactly. Okay. And this hamburger meat is 80-20. Some folks like a little bit more leaner stuff, but you know, this was on sale. Thought I'd give it a try. You know, make some meatloaf, have a little bit of fun. Why not? Now, I like my stuff a little bit spicier, so I'm going to add in some, this thing open? Crap. I'm going to add in some red pepper crushed. This is probably a no-no, okay? But I'm eating alone. If it goes bad, only my stomach will know, all right? Good old Loom Coom Key. Smart Choice oyster flavored sauce. Probably the fake stuff. Now some folks will also use an egg, right? But I didn't feel like putting an egg in here today, you know. So really, any of these dishes that you make are always up to your tastes, you know. Some folks say you can't do this, or you can't do that, you can't do this. Yeah, just, some people put the meatloaf in a loaf thing, some kind of freeform it. We're gonna try to freeform it, just kind of shape it into a pan, or actually onto a cast iron skillet lined with tinfoil or aluminum, and then pop in the oven, all right? All right, so just let's watch and see, okay? Pick that up. Ta-da! Check it out. All right. So then you just plop this baby down, right? Okay. And then you do your best to form it into a nice, this is horrendous, into a nice kind of loaf. Remember, I'm eating alone, so you know, it may look bad, but it'll probably taste okay, all right? All right, like I said, this is a very simple recipe. Now what I do, well, what I saw my mom do when I was a kid, is she always poured one of these tomato sauce things over the top, and she usually cooked the meatloaf in a loaf pan, yeah? But, you know, I gotta be different and let it go freeform, but still using the tomato sauce on top. Now, I don't know, hopefully this will turn out okay. Okay, you know, interesting, but I presume most of the tomato sauce probably fall off and go to the side. That's okay, and we'll see what happens. All right, so I poured on this tomato sauce, and I'm gonna pop it into the oven, maybe about 350 Fahrenheit, so 170 Celsius, I believe, something like that, and let it go. And then once it, you know, gets ready, I will open it. I will take out the oven, let it cool off, and then eat it. All right, let's go. And we are done. And here's our masterpiece of a meatloaf cooked by yours truly. Okay, so it's been a little while. I had kind of fallen asleep and all that good stuff. So let's see how she tastes. I'm gonna cut, blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna cut up a little hunk of it and just see. Hope it's done. Oh, uh-oh. Yeah. Finger time. You know what? It looks a little dry. Okay. Maybe I cooked it too long, but it looks a little dry. All right, take a bite. Okay. Well, it is a little dry. I did overcook it. These things do happen. I remember I put the chili flakes in there. That heat from that's really small, really low. But let's try to add a bit of Morehouse jalapeno mustard on this little piece right here, and see if that gives it a little bit more moisture. Just a little dab. Okay. Okay, take a bite. Okay, overall, it wasn't bad. It wasn't great. It was a little bit dry and a little salty because I had poured in too much salt. These things do happen. But hey, you know, the only way to learn how to cook is to practice, make your mistakes, learn from them, and then try again. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me. Like I always say, if you see it, buy it, try and hope you like it, take care wherever you are. Or get out there and cook something, you know? But I will finish this meatloaf. Not today, mind you, but I will finish it. Thanks for watching. I want you all to have a great day wherever you are. Man, this thing's hard as a rock. Jeez.